Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing Windows so Ubuntu runs reliably. First, enable Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Subsystem for Linux in Windows Features. Once done, reboot. Next, open PowerShell as admin and set WSL default to version 2 with WSL set default version 2 to get the modern kernel and better performance. Make sure Windows is up to date and that virtualization is enabled in your BIOS. These steps prevent install errors and give you the full Ubuntu experience. You now install Ubuntu and configure it for daily use. Either open the Microsoft Store and install Ubuntu, or run WSL install dubuntu from an elevated terminal. Once installed, launch the distro. On first run, create a Linux username and password. This becomes your sudo account. After login, run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade to fetch latest security fixes. If you need the GUI, install a desktop or enable WSLG. Make sure to set your preferred distro as default. You finish by tailoring Ubuntu and verifying everything works. Install common tools with sudo apt install build essential curl git and set up your editor. Configure /etc/wsl. Conf or use mount options so Windows drives appear in /mnt automatically. If you installed WSLG, try launching GUI apps to confirm graphics support. Finally, test networking and file access. If something fails, check WSL status. Run WSL shutdown and restart the LXSS manager service. This often clears.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.